Hi there, I'm Philip, a freelance writer and writing coach. Today I want to save you a ton of time by calling out the biggest mistake I see new freelance writers make. If you're just starting out, please don't skip this because this one thing holds a lot of writers back for months, sometimes years. If you spent hours fixing your portfolio, rewriting your bio or tweaking your website, but you haven't actually pitched or reached out to clients, you are making the mistake I'm talking about. The number one mistake new freelance writers make is this: they act like they need to be ready before they take action, they over-prepare, and they hide behind research and planning. But guess what? You learn more in one client project than in 10 hours of prep work. Here's a little secret: no one starts out knowing everything. Most pros learn by doing, by taking jobs, asking questions, and improving over time. You don't need the perfect niche, perfect samples, or a fancy website to get started. You need courage and practice. Here's what I recommend instead of over-prepping. Write one solid sample in a niche you are curious about. Create a very simple portfolio, even Google Docs is fine. Start reaching out to businesses, agencies, or platforms, and get feedback, improve, and repeat. The writers who win are not the ones who know the most. They are the ones who try the most. So when you take action, you gain confidence, experience, real samples, and yes, of course, clients. So here's a takeaway. Don't wait to feel ready. You get ready by doing, not by overthinking. You can fix and polish things later. Just start. If you want help starting right away, I have a full course that walks you through everything step by step without fluff. I also give away a free ebook with tips for building your writing career the smart way. You'll find both linked in the description. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more real-world advice for freelance writers. Thanks for watching and keep writing.